Hello everyone. In today's episode of Tech Unique, I'll be explaining design and developing of low-cost compatible 3D printing filament extruder. Filament extruder is a device that uses to produce the filament extruder with the help of a thermoplastic materials. Thermoplastic materials we are using as a PLA and ABS materials. And this device is cost around 31,000 as it is customized throughout this industry. And the process of this extruder works is that it uses a hopper to feed the filament materials and conveys to the barrels. With the help of a screw, it allows to push that filament materials to melt it down and create it into the fine diameter near to the die head of 3 millimeters about from that to solidify. In this conclusion, the filament extruders should be compatible and precisely to the dimension, as it can be used for educational purpose and industrial usage. Thank you.